Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, and welcome. If this is your first time, please subscribe if you like wig tutorials and follow us on Instagram to look at more of our content in our reels. So right now, I'm about to make a mistake, but I love making those, especially on camera, because I normally know how to fix it, and I can show you how to fix it if it ever happens to you. I think I already had alcohol on that napkin that you see me wiping it with, but I first wiped very gently to get as much off as possible, the first couple wipes. Then I folded it over and then started wiping a little more rough with the alcohol on the napkin to get it out, or to get it off my forehead. I had to sit the the alcohol napkin in that spot because I just didn't want to risk getting that cap stuck to my forehead while I glued around the hairline of my wig cap. But yeah, so basically I put like one layer of glue going across my hairline, and then I let it dry clear and cut it. For this install, I went ahead and did only 3 layers. I wasn't trying to keep it on too long anyway, so yeah, I only did 3 layers. So because my phone is old and I got so much stuff stored on it, my phone overheated. And I didn't get the rest of me, like, going, one more. I probably put like two more layers on wherever the lace didn't stick down. Let it dry clear, then I put it down, and then I began to finish curling the top of my head. So I had the back already curled that on the mannequin. But then I wanted to hurry up and install this and go out with my friends, so I had to curl the rest on my head. And then it was a test to test myself, because I have been practicing on my curling on myself, and then just curling period, get my technique together. Learning. But, so what you see me doing is, I noticed that if you work behind yourself, I know it hurt. Actually, my arms do be hurting, and it depends on the type of curl you're going for. But I feel like it's a little easier to curl away from my face when I put my arms behind my head. I don't know. Because when I'm curling, other people say it's no problem, of course, obviously. But when I'm on my own head, my arms get twisted in my direction. I get tired. So the only way I can keep the pattern going and curl away from my face on both sides the right way is to put my arms behind my head. So maybe, if you try that, see if it helps you.